Trader Joe's discontinued their Beefless Ground, but luckily, you can actually recreate it very easily with firm tofu. And let me show you how to do it. So basically, you need firm tofu. Super firm works the best. But presently, I just have medium tofu. So what I'm doing is I'm putting it in my tofu press. And I'm going to squeeze out more moisture and turn this into firm tofu. And while that happens, I'm going ahead and making a marinade of soy sauce, some olive oil, that's mushroom powder for umami taste, garlic powder, onion powder, some smoked paprika, and some nutritional yeast, because vegans put nutritional yeast in everything, and then give it a thorough mix. My tofu's been firmerized, and so what we do is basically just fork it to little bits, and you want to basically just make it into like a crumble. This is not super firm tofu. Super firm tofu actually crumbles really well, just like the Beefless Grounds. This one needs a little help, but I'm doing the best I can. And actually, I'm through the cooking process, I'll go ahead and make it look more like grounds, and you'll see what I do in this process. But presently, I'm just smashing it. I'm having a good time, just getting all my aggression out on this tofu. Then we're going to throw it into the marinade. And then you just mix it thoroughly so the marinade is spread throughout. And tofu is like a sponge. It's going to suck up all that flavor. And then what I do is, a lot of people put this in an oven. I just throw it in the air fryer. And after about 5 minutes of air frying at about 350, I check it, I shake it, and then I give it another 5 minutes. I think this took about 15 minutes total of just putting it out, checking it, and then this is basically a good texture. It's a little dry, but then we reintroduce moisture in the pan. There I am. I'm doing it as I said before. You can also add like a nice vegan soup stock. You can throw this into a spaghetti sauce, just like it is, and it'll be a great ground beef replacement. People ask me, where do you get such amazing tortillas? Well, I get them at Latino markets. You can't get them at Trader Joe's. These are Sonoran tortillas that I get at this place called Vallarta, which is a large market. So basically, I threw down some vegan cheese. Now I'm throwing down my grounds, just kind of spreading them on one side, and making a quesadilla, because, and this is going to be a very beefy quesadilla. Also threw down some jalapeno. Then I'm going to give it a fold, making sure my cheese is melted. Little bit of avocado, come on. Some fresh salsa, restaurant style. And there's the cross section. You can't deny that looks super delicious. And like and subscribe if you want to see more compelling content.